Hello, my name is Milo. Today, we cook together. I wash my hands. I take a potato. I peel the potato. Peel the potato. I cut the potato. I cut the potato. I crack the egg. I crack the egg. I pour the egg into a bowl. I pour the egg into a bowl. I mix the egg. I mix the egg. I turn on the stove. I turn on the stove. I put the onion into the pan. Now I stir gently. I put the onion into the pan. Now I stir gently. I add the tomato. I add the tomato. I stir the vegetables. I stir the vegetables. I pour the eggs into the pan. I pour the eggs into the pan. I slice the cucumber thinly. I slice the cucumber thinly. I strain the juice. I strain the juice. I boil the water. I boil the water. I drizzle olive oil on the salad. I drizzle olive oil on the salad. I fold the omelet. I fold the omelet. I mash the potato. I mash the potato. I spread butter on the toast. I spread butter on the toast. I flip the pancake. I flip the pancake. Thank you for cooking with me. Let's cook and learn English together. Subscribe to my channel for more fun lessons.